Hello everyone. Today in this video I will teach you how you can clear your Snapchat cache on your iPhone. So you may be suffering from glitches or any technical error on your Snapchat and you want to get rid of it. So clearing the cache is the easiest process, because if you uninstall your app you need to log in again. So let me show you how you can clear your cache. For that you need to open your settings, and after that you need to swipe down and go to general, and from here you need to again swipe down and go to this option called iPhone storage. And now from here you need to swipe down until you find Snapchat. So as you can see, this is a Snapchat. Tap here. Now you will find this option called offload app. As you can see this option, this is basically you can say cache. So when you tap this option, your Snapchat cache will get removed. So let me do it. So after that you need to reinstall the app. So if your app doesn't install automatically from here, you just need to install it from the App Store. And don't worry, it won't ask your login information again and again. So you just install the app and that's it. You will log in without any problem. So yeah, that's how you clear your cache on your